Hello traders, hope all of you are staying well and you're staying safe. And let's go. I want to do a very short video on the Aussie CAD. Actually, for this week, I'll do a series of videos on the Aussie pairs because there's a lot of nice setups on the Aussie pairs and there are very big moves to come. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and please share it. Let somebody else see what we do and they might like it. So let's go. What I'm looking at is that this is the all-time low of the Aussie. You've got a very big move up and you've got a very deep consolidation here, right? We're looking at the weekly charts. I just want to give you the weekly analysis and then we're going to move on to the lower time frame charts. So what you have here is a deep pullback and we've started an impulse. As you would notice, every impulse will have pullbacks in them before they go. So we're making a consolidation here. Assuming that we'll make another move up to the top, it might be a few more consolidations in here, but that is okay. We'll show you those in the lower time frame. So if you assume that that is what we're going to do, we're going to go to the lower time frame. You would see that you have a very nice impulse, and we're making a consolidation here. What happens after that? After that, what happens is you get a very big move out of this structure back to the top. So here is an example of how that works. You get a very big move, you make a consolidation, you get another big move. You make a bigger consolidation, you get another big move. You make another consolidation, you get another big move, right? So there are pullbacks in those moves, but if you were a wave trader, you would know how to manage your way out of those. That's one of the things we teach you in our trading room. So I'm going to show you what we're looking at. You can see there are many smaller ones here that we traded, but this is the big one. This is after the biggest impulse. So this is the bigger impulse. You're making a bigger consolidation here, after which you'll be going out. Now, don't make an assumption that you know when this thing is going to finish, because you wouldn't know. It can go on for quite a long time. This thing could go here and stay here for a long time before it goes. So can you trade in this zone before you leave the zone? Absolutely. And that is what we're doing on a daily basis. So when you go into 4 hour, what you're looking for are same type of structures: an impulse, a correction, and another impulse. An impulse, a correction, and another impulse. A deeper correction, another impulse. You will see smaller ones like these as you go. So what we're having here now is a correction. This morning we had that sell set up for those of our traders who are in that trade. And now we'll be looking to buy it back to the top here. Now, this may or may not break out. It might come back to the bottom here. We will probably go back up. They can come deeper than that, expanding the size of that correction. They can go slightly above it and come back down, expanding the size of the correction. But each of those pieces, we monitor based on patterns that we see. What is a confirmed pattern, right? So the trade you're looking at right now is a sell we took this morning in our trading room. You can see this one, that's a sell. Once you break that low, you're already looking to take profit or get out of the trade or move your stops. Because the next possible trade we'll be looking for was this trade to the upside. So if you can see that happen, can you trade it? We traded this down. I can tell you some of the trades we took here. We took this trade down from here, from this point, from that flat down to this level. So can we take this trade to the upside? Absolutely. So what would be the trade setup to go? And this is where it becomes tricky when you're a wave analysis person, right? If you don't know wave analysis, you would say, well, why don't you just buy it right now? And that is incorrect, because if you try to buy it right now, what are the probability of this coming back all the way to the low here and then go there? Now, if you do wave analysis, you know that that is a probable way of happening. So you're not buying just because you assume that it's going to go there, just because your forecast says it's going to go there. You have to wait for a setup that says, you know what, now I can enter the trade for the up move to get this here. And that is where the strategy comes in. What I don't give you in these videos is the strategies that we enter and how we manage the trades in those strategies. Now, you may say, well, why aren't you giving us? Well, that's a long process. You have to pretty much learn all the patterns we looked at, and each pattern has specific strategies and specific methods of entering and exiting them and managing the trade. So that's a 6 weeks program. Yep, that's exactly the point. It's a 6 weeks program that you can learn to do that. And then if you understand how to do that, we give you lifetime access into our trading room so that you can learn to manage your trades. And right now, there are traders in my trading room. At the moment that I'm doing this video, there are traders in the trading room looking at trade setups. They're managing the trades they're in. And I will join them just after I finish this video. I was there with them this morning in the Asian session. I did a webinar, a daily webinar that I do after that. And now I'm doing this video for you guys. I will try to do a few more of this week, and I'll pick this week, and I'll pick the Aussie pairs. So there's a powerful one in the Aussie Swiss. There's a nice one in the Aussie Yen, and I'll show you those setups because they all have a big daily impulse coming. If you can train yourself to trade these little bits and pieces, you can train yourself to get the bigger moves. So for now, you trade with care, take care, keep learning, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it. That's the only thing you can do. If you enjoy it and you think it's helping you, share it. Help somebody else who is struggling. The idea is that if we get these videos to all the struggling traders, they may learn something. They might not, but most likely it will help them to understand the direction the chart is going to go. Right? So all of you have a wonderful week. Trade with care. Remember to go to my Facebook page and follow the page because I put a lot of announcements there for when I do free videos, and every now and then I do a week of free videos. We're having a course coming up in a week time. You can either subscribe to that course right now, which means join the course, or you can pay installment for the course. What would that installment give you? Save your money to take the course when you can pay for it, and it will give you access to my daily webinar for free. That's complimentary. So every day when I do my daily webinar, you will get it. And it might help you. So all of you have a great week ahead, and I would see you. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.